In a lab, Dr. Jean was excited. "We've done it!" he exclaimed, holding a tiny vial. "We've edited the gene that causes sneezing." His assistant, Max, looked puzzled. "But why?" Dr. Jean grinned. "Imagine a world without sneezes." Max shrugged. "But sneezes are natural." A week later, the world was sneeze-free. People were happy until they realized they couldn't say "bless you" anymore. Chaos ensued. At a press conference, Dr. Jean admitted, "We might have overdone it." Max whispered, "Next time let's stick to curing diseases, not social customs."